Closing your Boost Mobile account, a step-by-step guide. First, ensure your account is in good standing with no outstanding balances. You can initiate the closure by calling 1-888-BOOST-4U, visiting a retail store, or using the online account management portal at boostmobile.com/account. Provide your account details like phone number and PIN. If you have a prepaid plan, return any SIM cards or devices. Postpaid users, settle any lease agreements. Note that closure is effective immediately upon confirmation, but finalization, including any potential refunds, can take 1 to 4 weeks. Remember, closing your account does not automatically remove your data. You need to make a separate request for that. To remove your personal data after closing your account, you must explicitly request data deletion. This is crucial for protecting your privacy under regulations like CCPA and GDPR. Requesting data removal targets personal information like your name, address, payment details, call logs, and location data. However, Boost Mobile may retain anonymized, aggregated data for analytics as legally allowed. To make the request, contact Boost Mobile customer service or use the online portal. Be prepared to verify your identity, possibly with a one-time password sent to your phone. Boost Mobile aims to delete your PII within 30 to 90 days of your request, in line with their updated privacy policy.